Today, Judge Vance Day will enter the Oregon courtroom where he used to preside. But instead of sitting on the bench, he'll take a seat in the criminal defendant's chair. He's charged with aiding and abetting a felon in possession of a firearm. But Judge Day believes he's being targeted because of his unwillingness to perform gay marriages.
I think this whole ordeal started when I made my original decision to quietly recuse myself from same-sex marriage. In Oregon, it's not a requirement that a circuit court judge marry anybody. But when the law changed, I had a decision to make. And that decision was to gently, quietly recuse myself. And that eventually started a bit of a firestorm.
A firestorm that's lasted more than 3.5 years and racked up legal bills just shy of $1 million. The state of Oregon is trying to prove Day helped a disabled Navy SEAL in his Veterans Court possess a firearm, a charge Day says is punishment for his biblical views on marriage.
In the dead of winter, his only source of heat, which was a pellet stove, failed. So our team talked about it, and I'm a handy guy, so I said my son is going to be heading out there that weekend because my son had a relationship with him and was helping him get to various appointments because he lived far out and didn't have a driver's license because he was sentenced for a DUII. So we went out there on a Sunday, brought him some food, and I went to work on the pellet stove. And most folks who may be familiar with the story understand that my son, unbeknownst to me, went out to his truck and got a handgun that he wanted to show the Navy SEAL. So the Navy SEAL picked it up, and he's a felon, so he shouldn't have been handling that gun, and I was in the room. And that's how I got charged with aiding and abetting a felon in possession of a firearm.
He encourages all Americans to stand up whenever government challenges their liberty of conscience.
When we have his perspective, a trial is an opportunity to walk with him and watch him show up in glory and majesty, and I don't want to miss that.
Judge Day expects his jury trial to last at least 2 weeks. Jennifer Wishon, CBN News.